What is dystopian literature? Dystopian literature is a type of writing that shows an imaginary society where everything has gone wrong. It looks like a future world, but it is usually dark, fearful, and oppressive. In dystopian stories, people often live under strict government control, no personal freedom, constant surveillance, being watched all the time, fear, punishment, and inequality. These societies may look organized on the outside, but inside, they are actually very controlling and unfair. For example, in 1984 by George Orwell, people are always watched, and even their thoughts are controlled by the government. Follow for more videos.